Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss an illustration on preparation of cost sheet. So here we will calculate total cost and cost per unit. So let us start with the illustration. Prepare a cost sheet of the following data relating to the manufacturer of jeans. Number of jeans manufactured during the month 1000. So units manufactured in that 1 month is 1000 units. So, what are all the information they have given? Direct material consumed is 20,000, direct labor 8,000, indirect labor they have 2,500, and supervision cost is 1,000, factory premises rent 1,600, factory lighting is 600, oil for machines 100, depreciation of machines 500, office overheads 8,000, office salaries 2,000, miscellaneous office expenses 1,000, and selling and distribution overhead given is 6,000. Note they have given a profit margin of 20% on total cost of goods is expected on the sale of jeans. So here sales is equal to cost plus profit, right? So for this cost, calculating the total cost, we have to calculate different types of cost. So first thing we calculate is prime cost. So how do we calculate prime cost? Direct material, direct labor and other direct expenses. Together we call it as a prime cost. After calculating prime cost, we add certain factory overheads or works overheads, and if we add works overheads or the factory overheads with prime cost, we will get factory cost, or we can call it as a works cost. And then you can add office and administrative overheads, you will get cost of production, right? And if we add selling and distribution overheads to this cost of production, we will get total cost, or we can call it as a cost of sales, right? So let us see the solution now. Cost sheet we have prepared for the period where we have taken 3 columns: particulars, total for 1000 units, and cost per unit, right? So here the first thing is we need to calculate the prime cost. See, in this problem they have not given any direct expenses, additional direct expenses they have not given. So we have only direct material of 20,000 rupees and direct labor of 8,000 rupees. So together we get prime cost as 28,000 rupees. So 28,000 rupees divided by how many units we are producing? So we are producing 1000 units here for this month. So 28 rupees we are getting for 1 unit as a prime cost. Okay. Next we have to add the works of factory overheads. So what are all the works or factory overheads given in the problem are indirect labor they have given, supervision cost they have given, factory rent, factory lighting, oil for machines, and depreciation of machines. So these things if we calculate together we got the amount as 6,300. So 6 rupee 30 paise is the total works overheads. So if we add prime cost with what are all the works overhead we receive, we will get the works cost. So here the works cost we got it as 34,300 and works cost per unit is 34 rupees 30 paise. Okay. The next thing we need to add the office and administration overheads. One is office overhead, right? Then office salary they have given and miscellaneous expenses they have given. So these things we have taken. So office and administration overhead together we got it as 11,000. So which is 11 rupee per unit. Now what is the cost of production? Our total cost of production is 45,300 and 45 rupee 30 paise in case of per unit. Okay. Here next we need to again add the selling and distribution overheads. So how much selling and distribution overheads they have given? 6,000, which is nothing but 6 rupees per unit. So here the total cost we got it as 51,300 in case of total cost, and total cost per unit we got it as 51 rupee 30 paise. Got it? Now as per our question they have given profit is 20% on cost. Okay, what is our cost? 51,300. So this 51,300 we need to multiply with 20%. Nothing but 20 divided by 100. So if we do 20 divided by 100, we will get 10,260 rupees. So this is a total profit. And profit per unit will be 10 rupee 26 paise. The sales for the manufacture of jeans is for 1000 units 61,560 and per unit it is 61 rupee 50 paise. Okay, this is how we need to calculate the cost sheet. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment section. Keep watching and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with exam oriented content. Thank you so much and happy learning.